time left. Today we're going to make a big craft. We will need some color paper. We got gold, pink, and the red. You can use markers, you can use crayons, you can use pencils, or I used watercolor paint sticks and then brushed with a paintbrush water on them. So we're going to use our purple but not shiny. Just paint and we'll be finger painting. We will also need scissors, a black marker. Okay, and we're starting. Yeah, but so nonsense. It's coldy. Whoa. Get some more on here, some more finger. Go! Ta-da! Ta-da! After you finish, after finishing, put your hand on a white piece of paper and make a handprint. We already did another Father's Day project. Okay, hold it for a while. Okay, it's sticking. I know. Hey, look at that little hand and look at this hand. This hand, a white and purple hand. Yeah, that's so funny. And high five. So we need to dry this. Put it on the side to dry. You can ask your parents to make you the letters. You need to draw you the letters. And some, they cut it. Then you need to cut them. Some are already cut out and some are not. So, time to start cutting it out. Okay, alright, we're done our letters, but we need to make an exclamation mark. So, we'll fold our paper. I got so much letters, so many, a big pile. Well, I got going to put just a little dot of glue on, and then close your glue up in our poster. So put this the second dot and put it on top of the other dot. Now we're going to put this dry. This to my exclamation mark. Hello, purple hand. I know this is not the first, I know. Okay, now this looks like a poster. Here is our list of letters. Happy Father's Day. Yep, that's the right over, and that's the exclamation mark. Yep, now we need to put our letters in the right order. Okay, now we're going to glue it. Time to glue it, time to glue it, time to glue it. Okay, time to glue it, 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 time to. We did it! So we got it. Got it. That's so perfect. And see, wait, just wait. Okay, now. Don't look, Daddy, don't look. Okay, with our hand. Hey, we did it. It's a button, and if you press it, you'll become dad. When you back down. At the end, let's add another lucky button. Press it, you'll be lucky. Every day. Wow! Time to be lucky. Time to be lucky. Press the button. You'll be lucky. Do the button. Do the button. Press the button. Press the button. Then this is the lucky button clay. You press it. I'll press it and I'll be lucky. Look, my hair is lucky. I glue it with glue and now turn purple. Okay, let's become a heart. Lucky button. Press it, you'll become a heart. Okay, if you press it, you'll become a heart. Show. Here. This is the lucky button. Beautiful. Happy Father's Day. No, we still have one surprise. Got some different flowers. We have some different kind of purple flowers. Yeah. Okay. Okay, some purple heart paper. And let's get some other kind of purple paper. Some more kind of. Okay, and we need the card machine for this. You're the heart machine. You're the heart machine. Okay. And the big spaghetti you can make with it. With that little paper. I made the biggest heart ever. Bigger than the phone camera. Hey, we got some heart. Yeah, we have a heart full. Okay, I want it to like this. Let's put some glue on it. Okay. Okay, let's put our heart ID on. Yeah, first we put some glue on it. Then glue them together. Okay, and then of course we'll put some glue on here to put it on the paper. No, not on this paper, but on the drawing paper. Okay. Do you think that's a great idea? Okay. Okay, I'll put some glue on here too. To glue it down on the paper. Okay. Okay, we want also to where is it? Oh, here it is, and we're also going. Okay. Dark purple with stripes. Yeah, but come on. That will love that. Hiding behind today, most fun. Okay, I will also make some daddy treats. Okay, make some daddy treats. Can you cut me a circle, please? The harness here. Okay. Hey, I have a splendid idea. Okay. Quick. That's my big nose. I just want to glue it on. Here. I am middle. Look at that. She can't see me either. That's a good poster. We did it. L-E-V.